this week's video is going to be all about Lu and I heading out in the north of the province to find grouse. So we found two of the local grouse. The first one we found was the ruffed grouse, which I'll show here. And you can see it's quite a common one in the northern part of the province. So we did find one, and you'll see some video footage of that. And then we did also locate a spruce grouse a little bit further north. And that one's a little harder to find. In fact, in this wonderful Birds of Alberta book, it says it's easier to stumble across them than it is to find them. And that's exactly what happened to us. We were out on a field trip with the nature club, and we stumbled across a spruce grouse in the middle of the road. So you'll see some footage of all the photographers trying to get a really good shot of this individual. So stay tuned, here it comes.
All right.
This is probably his drumming log, very handy to the road. Driving into Catanino just after the snow, and here we have a grouse right in the driveway. Whoop, there he goes. He flew. Here's where the grouse flew to in the tree.
What's that, Annie?
No, I'm looking at the grouse. He's pretty plump and flat.
Get closer. You take several different videos. Start a new one. Start a new one. This is a ruffed grouse, and it's the most common grouse in the boreal forest. It's related to the European hazel hen. In the wintertime, it feeds on rose hips and the buds of balsam poplar. It's actually very common and has the very characteristic drumming that the males do to attract the females in the springtime.
A nice hike into the cabin. Lots of rabbit tracks. And there's the cabin in the distance. Soon we'll have a nice roaring fire to warm up in. Ah, and a squirrel excited for our visit. Toasty warm in the cabin, waiting for the coffee to brew. Love grandson's bear claw slippers.
A concentration of geese like this is very unusual in olden times because there are very few. These Canada geese have exploded in the last few decades. Tremendous numbers.
The spruce grouse is outnumbered by the photographers.
One thing, you gotta be a little careful with getting too low. It's create a out of focus blur in front of the bird. A bad foreground. Yeah. There's a fine line